Today we will discuss about coefficient of correlation. Coefficient of correlation. In our day-to-day life, we find many examples when a mutual relationship exists between variables, that is, which fall or rise in the value of one variable, the fall or rise may take place in the value of other variable. For example, price of a commodity rises as the demand of the commodity goes up. Up to a certain time period, weight of a person increases with the increase in age. Similarly, the temperature rises with the rise in sunlight. These facts indicate that there is certainly some mutual relationship that exists between the demand of a commodity and its price. The age of a person and his height and the sunlight and temperature, the correlation refers to the statistical technique used in measuring the closeness of the relationship between the variable. Correlation is a study of statistical technique which analyze the study of relationship between two or more variables represented by small r. Small r lies between +1 to -1. The plus and minus signs are used for positive linear correlation and negative linear correlation. Definition of correlation. If two or more quantities vary in sympathy so that movements in one tend to be accompanied by corresponding movement in the other, then they are said to be correlated. Given by Ella Conner. Next, whenever some definite connections exist between the two or more groups, classes or series or data, there is said to be correlation. Given by Podnation. We simply says correlation analysis deal with the association between two or more variables. Importance of correlation. Correlation helps to study the association between two variables. Coefficient of correlation is vital for all kind of research work. It helps in establishing validity or reliability of an evaluation tool. It helps to ascertain the trade and capacity of pupil while giving guidance or counseling. Correlation analysis helps to estimate the future values. Now come to the kinds of correlation or types of correlation. First, linear correlation. When one group of variable changes by a certain amount, the other group of variable also changes by constant amount. We can simply say if the ratio of change of two variables x and y remain constant throughout, then they are said to be linearly correlated. Like as given, everything supply of a commodity rise 20% as often its price rises by 10%. If value of these variables are plotted on a graph, then all points will lie on a straight line. Second, non-linear correlation. If the ratio of change between the two variables is not constant but changing, correlation is said to be non-linear or curvilinear. Sometimes its supply rises by 20%, sometime by 10% and sometime by 40%. The non-linear or curvilinear correlation exists between them. In case of curvilinear correlation, value of variable plotted on a graph will give a curve. See an example, x and y. X 10, 20, 30, y 4, 10, 12. Relation between x and y is 5:2, 2:1, 5:2. There is not constant relationship between them. Now come to the simple correlation. Study the relationship between two variables only, then it is called simple correlation. Relationship between price and demand, height and weight, income and consumption, etc. are the examples of simple correlation. Next, multiple correlation. When we study the relationship among three or more variables, then it is called multiple correlation. For example, if we study the relationship between rainfall, temperature and yield of wheat, then it is called multiple correlation. Next, partial correlation. When three or more variables are taken but relationship between any two of the variable is studied. Assuming other variable as constant, then it is called partial correlation. Suppose under constant temperature, we study the relationship between amount of rainfall and wheat yield. Then this will be called as partial correlation. So this is your meaning and type of correlation.